Good morning, students. From Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 5, there is a poem. Name Trees and written by Shirley Bauer. Okay, today I am going to explain the MCQ and some of the question answers. Okay, so in this stanza there are few MCQs in this stanza, so I read this stanza first, then going to the MCQ. Now see, trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make houses in, trees are to swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So this is the stanza. Now comes to the MCQ, then the second stanza. Now see the MCQ. The first MCQ, multiple choice question. The first MCQ, trees are useful for whom? Option A, men and children. Option B, animals and birds. Option C, men including all genders. And option D, the animal kingdom. So these four options, the answer is trees are useful for this D, the animal kingdom. This is the answer, the animal kingdom. So comes to the second. Tree house meaning of the tree house. Let's see the options. ट्री हाउस का मतलब क्या है? ऑप्शन देखते हैं. अ हाउस मेड ऑफ अ ट्री, जो घर बनाते हैं वृक्ष से वो. देन ऑप्शन बी, अ हाउस कवर्ड विथ लीव्स, a house covered with leaves, whose leaves? The trees leaves. Green house and a small shelter built in a tree. So tree house means this is option D is correct. A small shelter built in a tree. Okay, जो घर बनाते ट्री के ऊपर वो ट्री हाउस का मतलब वो होता है कि झाड़ के ऊपर, ट्री वृक्ष के ऊपर घर बनाते हैं वो. Now comes to the third one. Children use them. Them means the trees. Children use the trees as what? Let's see. To complete their painting बनाने के लिए. To have their swings on them. To climb them. To hide themselves. छिपने के लिए. Stanza में क्या था? To have. Let's see the stanza. Trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So make tree houses in, then trees are to swings on. So this multiple choice question, the third one, children use them, this, to have their swings on them. Okay, here already given the answer, first, second and third. Now comes to the second. These trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Now comes to the question answer of this stanza made by. Now see the first question. Mention two ways in which trees seem troublesome. The answer C. Kites get caught in the trees. That kite caught in the tree. And the second thing, in the autumn season had done, which the leaves of the trees full and they are to be cleaned. That's two things happened. We see it. Now comes to the second. How can the trees be useful in summer and winter? In the summer season, the tree gives us what? Cool shade. Trees gives us cool shade. Then in winter, their wood is used as fire to keep us warm. We fire this wood and keeps our body warm. In which season? In winter. So this. Now comes to the third one. How can trees be useful even after they are cut down? If trees are cutting down, how? How can these trees useful for us? Let's see. The trees are cut for the sake of timber. Sake of timber. The timber is used in the buildings for making windows and doors. So making the houses. What? Windows and doors. This cutting trees, timber. So we can make the windows and doors from the trees. Now comes to the fourth. Mention two ways in which the trees are entertaining. See, the trees entertain us when we hold tea parties under them. What? Tea parties under the trees. It is also equal entertaining to paint the trees on the canvas. So these are the two things. These trees on canvas and doing tea party under them. Now comes to the third. This objective type question. Okay. These are the MCQ. Okay, now the first MCQ. If trees are useful, they should be. If trees are useful, they should be what? They should be chopped down. They should be decorated. They should be preserved. They should be worshipped. If trees are useful, we should preserve. We should preserve the trees. Now comes to the second. When the wind blows, the leaves, when the wind blows, what do with the leaves? Make a rustling noise, fall down, are blown away, are stirred, all of the above. So when the wind blows, the leaves fall down. The leaves fall down. Now the third one. A tree house is house made of trees. A shelter in a tree for children to play. A shelter in a tree for birds to play, both first and second. So a tree house is a shelter. We know the shelter for whom? For the children to play. Where? In a tree. A shelter in a tree for children to play. That is the answer of the third one. A tree house is. Now comes to the fourth. Compose the rhyme word. Compose the rhyme word. See. Trees give us the shine, make trees the swine, life fine, dead wine, lifeline. So the answer is trees give us the shine, make trees the lifeline. Lifeline, that is the rhyme word. Okay. Now comes to the next page. Number 5. The tree that gives us no shade can also, if the trees doesn't give us the shade, that also can what? Also can, let's see the number 1. Be a help in winters options. Be a help in winters. Be a chopped and used, served other purpose, and both first and second means this one. First and second both. So what is the answer? Let's see. Okay, the tree that gives us no shade can also be a help in winter. Tree gives us shade in which? In summer season. But if the tree doesn't give the shade in summer, so it can be helpful in winter. Come to the sixth one, the synonym of hide. Hide means छिप जाना. So the answer of the sixth one is the third one, conceal. The synonym of the hide means conceals. So these are the activities of unit 5. I hope you understand it. Write it in your notebook. For that, thank you.